Hello, this is Camille Caspi, and welcome to my Dark Side of the Internet presentation on internet trolling and cyberbullying. As I was doing my research, I wanted to answer this question. What is internet trolling and cyberbullying, its harmful effects, and ways to prevent it? Well, you might ask, what exactly is an internet troll or someone trolling online? According to the top definition on Urban Dictionary, it can be defined as a person whose sole purpose in life is to seek out people to argue with on the internet over extremely trivial issues. Such arguments can happen on blogs, Facebook, MySpace, and a host of others. Wikipedia's definition is a person who starts quarrels or upsets people on the internet to distract and sow discord by posting inflammatory and aggressive, extraneous, or off-topic messages in an online community, such as a newsgroup, forum, chat room, or blog, with the intent of provoking readers into displaying emotional responses and normalizing tangential discussion, whether for the troll's amusement or specific gain. My understanding is that a troll is someone who will try to bait you into an argument with no real end in sight. So why do people troll the internet? Well, there are a lot of different reasons. Sometimes people feel depressed, starved for attention, angry, sad, jealous, narcissistic, or some other emotion they may not necessarily be conscious of that's influencing their online behavior. It's also very easy to do. As long as you have a computer or a tablet or even a cell phone and internet access, anyone can do this. Lastly, it can be done from a safe, isolated place. Just like mythical trolls can hide under a bridge, internet trolls hide behind their computers in the safety of their avatars and online screen names. There's really no consequence because you're not meeting anyone face to face. Now, cyberbullying is a term that we're a little more familiar with. According to stopbullying.gov, cyberbullying is a type of bullying that takes place over digital devices like cell phones, computers, and tablets. It includes sending, posting, or sharing negative, harmful, false, or mean content about someone else. Here are a few statistics that I found that relate to students and cyberbullying. According to the National Center for Education Statistics and Bureau of Justice Statistics, in 2015, 21% of students ages 12 to 18 experienced bullying. According to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, in 2017, an estimated 14.9% of high school students were electronically bullied in the 12 months prior to the survey. I believe that these numbers are likely to go up as students and people in general gain more access to technology. These are just a few of the harmful effects of cyberbullying. Victims of cyberbullying have experienced a range of psychosocial effects, like poor school performance and suicidal ideation, some to the point of actually committing suicide. This also doesn't just affect the victims, but it can also affect the instigators who experience suicidal ideation and depression. Now, although there are two different topics, internet trolling and cyberbullying share a few similarities. For example, both are forms of cyber harassment, aka cyber aggression or online aggression. Both are also influenced by the anonymous nature of the internet, since you can hide who you really are. Lastly, they both share online disinhibition. In other words, people can make impulsive, brash comments without really taking into consideration the repercussions or assessing the risk. So what can we do to prevent internet trolling and cyberbullying? Well, one thing is to promote digital awareness and digital citizenship. Essentially, modeling the appropriate use of technology and our online presence. Now, if it's already happened, we can report hurtful or fake comments to the site's owner, use online petition tools like change.org to demand that tech companies remove offensive content, and just practice self-discipline and ignore them. I believe that the more access we have to technology, the more internet trolls and cyberbullies will be present. So we as instructors have to do our due diligence to promote digital awareness and digital citizenship amongst our students. Thank you for listening. These are the resources that I used for this presentation.